friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this video is about how to use my vocal warm-up app for singers, Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. It's available for both iPhone and Android products. If you haven't seen it yet, you might want to check out my frequently asked questions video first so you can get a little bit more background on the app, which as of right now has over 40 vocal warm-up and exercise playlists. And I'll be adding more playlists every 6 weeks or so. The link to that video is below, as well as links to my website, store listings, customer support, and more. This video will show you how to use the app. We hope the app is pretty intuitive, but this should help you to be able to use all of the features. The first time that you open the app, it will ask you to create an account by entering your email address and creating a password. This will allow you to use all of the features, such as the favorites list, and it will allow subscription tracking. If you have any trouble with this step, email us at support@warmupswithkathleen.com and we'll help you out. Usually if there's a problem, it's just because there was a typo or an extra space in the entry. You can try it again or create a new account. Make sure to use a real email address because we will email you for verification. Once you're in, the main playlist menu will open. The top few playlists have a white star in the corner. This is where I put the newest featured playlists so that you can see when I've added more. Scroll down on this page to find the playlist you'd like to work with. They're listed alphabetically below the featured playlists. Or you can use the search bar to search for topics or titles. Once you've selected a playlist, you'll see a list of tracks within that playlist. Tap the play button on the right and that warm-up will start. Sometimes it does take a moment to start since those playlists are not local to your phone. If the play button turns into a pause button, you've done it right. If you'd like to fast forward or rewind, head over to the Player tab. This is in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. This screen gives you control to repeat, rewind, or fast forward through any of the tracks. Next, I'll show you how to save a playlist to your favorites. Adding a playlist to favorites saves it to your device. Once it's added to your favorites, you'll be able to play it from airplane mode or when you're offline or don't have good cell service. From the main playlist page, open the playlist you'd like to save. Tap on the heart and the tracks will download to your device. You can now find this playlist in your Favorites tab, which is in the middle of the bottom of your screen. To remove any list from your favorites, just open it back up and tap on the red heart. When you quit out of the app and reopen it, you won't need to sign in again, unless you've changed devices or in some cases when you've upgraded your operating system. I'd recommend closing out of the app once in a while, because that is how you'll be able to see the newest playlists as they're added. If you want to know when new playlists are added, join my mailing list and I'll make sure to let everyone know. I don't send out very many emails, just a few updates, special announcements, and some extra resources once in a while, every 6 weeks or so. I will never share your email address or sell it. Those are the main features and how-tos. If you have more questions or if you're ready to jump in, check out the links below. Thanks for watching and I look forward to singing with you.